away and come back in. So if you're newer to the reformer, this could be a position that's tricky.
All right, today we're going to bring a reform machine, but this one you could do a full body workout, a Pilates workout, pretty much a lot of different ways to get advantage and take advantage at home and work out. Now let me show you a couple of things you can do. It comes with these bungee cords here, and these can be shortened out. So if they're too long, underneath of it, I'm going to show you in a bit, underneath of it, you could tie them up and shorten them out. Now, great thing about this thing, it has these tension springs. All right, so if it's too strong for you or you're following instructions and they tell you how to change it, they come in different color coordinations. All right, higher strengths, of course, the red ones. Blue strength is the lower ones. You can set them all up for high strength. All right, and this is depends on your weight and depends on your strength level. Right, now if you can see the spring, all right, rolling back and forward. Now this is easy because it's one, but if I add 2 or 3, it's going to be almost impossible. There's also a bar here. The whole setup took about an hour to set up together. Now the advantage about this thing, it could be folded into half here by taking out these and folding the whole thing, so it's going to take less space on anywhere you go. Now another thing is that if it starts getting too hard, you can always grease it up just a little bit here on this rail here. There's a bumper here on this end. It comes with mats for your Pilates. This does not weigh at all anything. And then you have these shoulder cushions here that you can remove for other types of exercises. All right. Now, my recommendation, if you have never done a Pilates, watch some videos, take some tutorials, take some classes. It's very helpful, very useful, and very meaningful for people that don't have enough time in their lives. Take 10 to 15 minutes of a great workout. It'll last you all day. Now, let's go underneath and show you some of the details. Underneath of it, if you guys can see, you can see the tension on the bungee there that you go untwist that and lock it in and shorten it out. Now, underneath, you can see the base of all the springs, the straining springs, foldable legs, of course, foldable, moving for the actual mount here. All right, to adjust the handlebar here, you push up and you twist and you lift up. All right, and that's pretty much what level you want it. The straps themselves have 2 different layers. All right, 2 different straps. Longer straps that's used mostly for the legs, shorter straps for the hand. Now, adjusting, like I said, is very simple. The bungee cord, you could replace these if you're not familiar or don't like these types. You could replace them with your own. Now I got it there. All right, so we got it here in place. You fold it down slowly. Be careful when you bring this down. All right, at the end of the day, look at this, how compact it is. And it has wheels and a bumper, so you can move it around your area. Very simple. And has a 2 places to store the extra poles. So when hit against the wall, put it anywhere. Fits pretty much in any location. Like I said, 4 feet by maybe 2.5 to 3 feet of space. And of course, these things, forget, you can put them on the top, so it won't be in anybody's way. Compact, easy to use, easy to put away. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Tail up and down. Last 2. And you want to keep the legs together. That's going to help you control the movement and move, not your bum. Keep your bum weighted. And you're going to feel a nice stretch to the hamstrings. Then pull back
that's
down.
good exercise.
Inhale, you want the legs to come up. Hold the straps in your hands and pull back. This is a prep for our back rowing series. And it's known as the plow. Pulling back and coming forward. Sit nice and tall. And guys, if you have a hard time sitting tall,